Okay, next up! Ta-dan! Ta-dan! It looks drawn because it is drawn. Let's take a look, alright? What is this? Thank God she wrote what it is because otherwise I wouldn't know what this is. This could be anything. A crayon. Nan na no ka wakara. A cigarette! A very fake cigarette. It could be anything. まあ、何なのかわかんないけど、書いてくれたから見ていきましょう。It's a chapstick, okay. I saw that as an option. That's funny. Oh my god. Okay. Next is... Okay, that could be a lighter for the... I'm just kidding. No, I think that's a lip gloss or so. Yay! Yeah! This thing is alive or not? What the fuck is that? A screw or... What is that? What is that? Do you guys know what this is? Maybe this time it's a flashlight for real. No. A headphone jack? That's a huge headphone jack if it is one. Screwdriver. For real, what is this? This is Gura. Gura!